Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. This is part 2 of learning fractions. If you want to check out part 1, the link will be in the description. Equivalent fractions. The same fraction can be written in different ways. These are known as equivalent fractions, even though they look different. Equivalent meaning equal. 6 over 8 is the original fraction. We have to find its equivalent fraction, and in order to do this, we have to clear up one rule in mathematics. This rule states that if we do something to the numerator, it should be done to the denominator, and vice versa. So, to find the equivalent fraction of 6 over 8, we're going to divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number, which is 2. And if you look at the diagrams, you can see that in diagram 2, the highlighted sector takes up the same space as the two highlighted sectors in diagram 1, or in the circle on the left. Cancellation. This is a method that is used to find an equivalent fraction that is less complex than the original. In order to cancel a fraction, we have to divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number, like we did in the previous example. We divided the numerator and the denominator by 2. 4 over 8 is the original fraction. To make its equivalent fraction, 16 over 32, we multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number, which in this case is 4. And if you look at the diagram 2, 16 highlighted triangles take up the exact same space as 4 highlighted triangles on diagram 1. Reverse cancellation is basically the opposite of cancellation. In reverse cancellation, we multiply the numerator and denominator instead of dividing it. We multiply it by the same number according to the rule. And if we do reverse cancellation, this will result in the equivalent fraction with a larger numerator and a larger denominator. This diagram will help you understand equivalent fractions much better. As you can see in the first pizza, there are 8 slices but only 4 remain. In the second pizza, there are 6 slices but only 3 remain. In the third pizza, there are 4 slices but only 2 remain. While in the last pizza, there are 2 slices while only 1 remains. And if you look at this diagram carefully, you will understand that in the first pizza, 4 slices take up the exact same space as in the last pizza, 1 slice. And if you look at the second pizza, 3 slices of the second pizza equal to the exact same space as in the first pizza, 4 slices. Proper fractions. In this fraction, the number of parts examined shown on the top is less than the whole. If you look at the fraction 1 over 4, the numerator, which is the number on the top, is lower than the denominator, which is 4. It has a lower value than the denominator. Improper fractions. Improper fractions. The larger numerator indicates that the parts come from more than one whole. You can simplify the fraction to get a mixed fraction. If you can look at a fraction 35 over 4, you can see that 35, the numerator, is a higher value than the denominator, which is 4. 3 pizzas are cut up into 2 slices each. There are 5 slices remaining, so we can say 5 over 2 of pizza. And we can write this as 2 whole pizzas and 1/2 of a pizza. This becomes a mixed fraction. If you count each slice of pizza on the 3 pizzas, there will be 5 pieces in total. More about converting fractions into mixed fractions, improper fractions, etc. in the next video, part 3. Mixed fractions. A mixed fraction is basically a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. As you can see in the diagram below, 1 unit and 1/3 of a pizza equals to 1 and 1/3. This is how you make a mixed fraction. You combine a whole number, here it's 1 unit, and a proper fraction, which is 1/3. Thanks for watching this video, everyone. Do you have any questions? Mail me at nicolef.sfa@gmail.com or leave a comment down below. Make sure to check out my previous video on fractions. The link is given in the description below. And I will also be posting a part 3. I'll link it in the description once I have posted it. I hope you enjoy this video, everyone. Stay safe and keep on learning.